Now, one of the things that's bringing people aware to it recently has been its recent listing on Coinbase. Lots of new investors and people who are getting into crypto use Coinbase, and this coin just recently was listed there. I think it was March 25th, just last Thursday, where this coin was listed. As I mentioned previously, this coin is on the Ethereum blockchain, and they have done some burning of their tokens. They came out with an initial 500 million in their supply, and they actually hosted a token sale where 75 million of these were burned. I mentioned before, I do like coins that do the burning, or tokens that burn, because it reduces the amount in circulation and supply and just increases what their value is worth. Back in 2014, they raised 910 Bitcoin worth at the time, or 460,000. And more recently, they raised another 3 million in seed funding in 2017, and then generating an additional $30 million of funding that same year. If we take a look here on CoinMarketCap, they do some ratings on their site, and they've got Storj listed at a health level of 823. It's up there pretty high in the green. Their fundamental crypto asset score is what they call it, and you can see it kind of fluctuate along here, and it's almost at an almost all-time high. It is at that 823. That's the score they have it at. So it's a good rating from them at this point in time. Let's take a look real quick at Storj's social media presence and what they've been posting about. So if we look on their Twitter, we can see they posted that just recently on Coinbase, because that's a big deal for them. That opened them up to a lot of people like you and me to go on Coinbase and buy them. Filecoin, is one of their kind of competitors in the space, but they seem to have launched a much smoother, platform and a better roadmap and a better team, I believe, than Filecoin. But I do want to make sure I do my due diligence into doing a better research on Filecoin. Here's their information on being able to be S3 compatible, making it 3 times faster and easier than ever to migrate to the decentralized cloud. That's one of the things I really hate, when you have data stored in the cloud, like some photos, like on your phone or iCloud, and you scroll way back, you try and pull up a photo, and that crap takes forever to load, and you're wanting to show someone something. Oh, look at this. It's blurry and blurry. And blah. What are people talking about with Storj right now? Well, as I mentioned, we got a nice meme here about memes for growth. This is he's checking out Storj, and Filecoin ain't too happy about that. And if you look at the graph there, zoomed in a bit more on here, we can see we actually have a good bit of some triangulation here, and we're kind of consolidating down to this support line right here, and it's kind of trading within this channel. And as soon as it breaks this level right here of resistance, we could see it, really take off. That's a nice analysis with some technicals right there. We are preparing to the moon. Lots of good sounding things on it across the board. I think the coin has great utility. One thing to keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is educational purposes. Do your own research. I'm just showing you what I'm looking into and hope it can help give you some ideas. Just be careful, because when you're investing in an altcoin that is close to its all-time high, or has gone parabolic, or has spiked way up, and it's at one of the highest prices it's been at, it's kind of risky, because a lot of these oftentimes can come crashing back down. So if you're going to invest in this, you got to think about this one possibly not so much as a short-term quick play, but as a long-term hold, that you're prepared of the amount of money that you invest in it, that if it were to crash, you'd be okay with just leaving your money in there, letting it sit and waiting until the project gained momentum and people came back again and it came back up again. If you're not comfortable with possibly leaving that amount of money in there and tied up, I wouldn't suggest investing in a coin token that is at an all-time high. That being said, I do believe this coin will 2 to 3x at least in the next 3 to 4 months. So this isn't a crazy 100x to the moon altcoin in my opinion, but it is a good investment with good token with great utility. So I'm hoping all this stuff helped you guys out. We went through a lot of different things in the coin. I hope you have a better idea on how it works and where we're at in the market right now. And I hope everyone has a good night or good morning or good day. And if you got value from this, please, by all means, like, subscribe, follow me. I'm a pretty young channel. And huge help for me too. If you're new to the space, use one of the links down below in the comments. You can get $25 for free on Voyager app, which is a great one to trade crypto on, or Coinbase. You can click the link down there and sign up there. It helps me out and it helps you out too. So check that out. Appreciate you guys. All right, peace out.